Hey Glam Dolls, I am here today to share with you all some fabulous artificial nails I scored from my local drugstore. If you're interested in seeing which ones I found, I strongly suggest you keep on watching. Okay, Glam Dolls, I am just too excited to be here with you all today simply because I got artificial nails from my local drugstore and Family Dollar. Yes, I went up in Family Dollar. I haven't been in there for like, I can't even tell you when the last time I was in here. The point is, I went in there, I picked up some artificial nails from there and from my local drugstore, and I'm here today to share them both with you all. Now, before I get into sharing with you all the fabulous designs that I picked out, if you happen to be a newbie that's passing through, you know, seeing me for the very first time, welcome to the channel. My name is Glam, and I strongly encourage that you hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications, therefore you will never miss an upload, period. Trust me, you do not want to miss the uploads that be happening here on this channel. You don't want to do that. So hit that subscribe button. So anyway, if you are an official Glam Doll to this channel, which means you are a subscribed Glam Doll, y'all already know my addiction to artificial nails that I can apply myself. Now, I'm not a fan of discrediting the nail salons for those who still go to the nail salon. Hey, you know, all power be, knock yourself out. But several years ago, I decided to no longer allocate any more of my money to nail salons when the artificial nail game have really leveled up. So here are a few designs I'm going to be sharing with you all today. First ones are going to be coming from Family Dollar, okay? And I spent a total of, with tax, $22.36. Now, some would say, gosh, $22 is so much for a, you know, a pair of nails. It's more than one pair, and I'm here to show them to you. First pair, now these are predominantly all from Kiss artificial nails. First ones is going to be the Salon Ready to Wear color in a gorgeous baby pink. For me, you cannot go wrong with baby pink artificial nails. They are such a classic color to add into your arsenal. So I picked up another pair. Got that one right there. The next one's up from the Kiss Fantasy collection. Now, I want to take a walk on my wild side. So I went with that design right there. You see that right there? I'm talking the animal print design with the accent nails included. OMG, these are so cute, and they are not long in length. These are more so like a medium length, so I was super excited when I saw those. So I got that design right there, the Fantasy. Then I said, okay, let me keep it going. I got some more animal print. I was not playing. Are you serious? Do you see that right there? These are the long coffin shape type nails, and I was so excited to have seen these because these are very, very, very hard to come by if you manage to get this design right here. So I got that right there. Another animal print. You know, I was tapping into my wild side. So back into the bag. Then I calmed down. I was like, you know what? Let me get this color right here. It's like a gorgeous deep plum color. You know, you can't go wrong with a dark, rich looking colored nail, especially during the winter time. So I got that color right there. Then I said, let me switch it up a bit. Let me get a little monochromatic, add some color, and decided to snatch these right here. Super cute. And what I like about this is you can mix your artificial nails with any other pack of nails as long as it is the same shape and length of the nail that you're mixing them with. You can create your very own custom couture manicured hand look. I will be doing that, okay? Then I seen the Goldfinger collection. This one is called Snow Queen. You ready for this? I don't know if you're ready for this, but look at that right there. Snow Queen is where it's at. Do you see those accent nails? They got the faux diamonds on them. That is what I'm talking about, okay? I'm gonna be blissful as a Snow Queen. I'm not playing. I'm not playing. So then, to conclude the Family Dollar portion of the artificial nails, don't laugh at me. I've gotten into artificial toenails. That is how far my obsession has gone. Yes, Miss Glamour Addict wear artificial toenails. Yes, I do from time to time. Only during the summer though, when I got my sandals on or whatever. Not when I'm wearing clothes, you know, toe shoes, sneakers, or boots. No, if I got on sandals, chances are I got some artificial toenails on. So these are super cute in design. Now, when it comes to applying the nails, I'm going to show you the ones I got from the drugstore, but I want to do a quick little, what they call that, intercession, whatever. When it comes to applying the artificial nails, I do not use the nail glue that comes within the artificial nails, because that's when it's more of a long-term wear thing. I like mixing my nails so much that I swap them out sometimes twice a day. I even went as far as swapping them out one time, 3 times in one day, okay? I like my nails to match my mood, my makeup, my hair, the venue, or whatever the feeling is of the day I'm going through. So I no longer use the artificial nail liquid glue. Instead, I like to use the glue tabs, which looks like this right here. These are the packs that usually come with the Kiss nails. They come inside the Kiss nail packs. It's these little glue tabs. I love using the glue tabs because, one, they are long lasting. With the glue tabs, these will last me about, if not the same day, I can get away with 2 days with wearing them with the glue tabs. You know, I can wash dishes, braid hair, cook, clean, whatever with the glue tabs. But the glue tabs are for temporary use. They're not meant for long-term wear, which is why I love them so much. And they do not damage my natural nail bed, because I can easily soak my hand in some warm water for about maybe 5 minutes, and then easily remove the artificial nail with the glue tab already on it. And then once it dries, I can then, you know, scratch the glue tab off the artificial nail, making the pack reusable over and over and over again. So that is what I like to do as my preference. I don't use the liquid nail glue that comes with the pack. So even when it comes to applying the artificial toenails, I do use the glue tabs, okay? I just wanted to get that out there. So now we're going to move into the nails I selected from my local drugstore. I am just so excited on this one. So I only got a few of them. So first one's up is going to be the Kiss Premium Classy Nails. Now, notice how I said classy, and I'm about to show you why. Look at this right here. Look at that right there. If you went to the nail salon, the actual nail salon, and got this type of design done, do you know how much you're going to pay? Do you realize how much you're going to pay to get that on all 10 of your fingers, honey? You won't be paying no $10. That is how much I paid for this pack. $10, all right? I'm getting 30 nails in the pack for $10. 30 nails in the pack for $10. I get to do my nails 3 times if I want to, for $3.33 a set. Look at what I'm getting. Look at the design I'm getting for $3.33 a set. 30 nails for $10. This type of design, no nail salon is going to give it to you like that. And if there is a nail salon that can give me this hand look for $3.33 a set, let me know, and I will be the first. I will be on the first thing smoking there, okay? $3 I get this type of hand design on all 10 of my fingers? You ain't got to tell me twice. You ain't even got to tell me once. Just send me the address and I'm there. The next ones, again, is coming from the Classy Premium Collection. And it's going to be this one right here. So you had the XL version, and then you got the long lengths right here. These two right here are from the Kiss Premium Collection, which looks like that right there. Super, super cute. Loves those designs. Loving those designs. And the last pair, oh nope, here's another pair. This one is from the Kiss Masterpiece Collection, okay? This is the one-of-a-kind Luxe Mani. Okay, we got that one right there. Again, $10 for this pack right here. And just as the other ones before, you're getting, with this one, you're getting 30 plus 12, 42 nails. 42 nails in this pack right here. 42 nails in this pack right here for $10. You're getting 30 artificial nails and 12 additional accent nails for you to be able to customize your very own manicured hand look. So, got that one right there. And the next pair I have to share with you is the Kiss Bare collection. This is the Bare but Better. These are nude sculpted artificial nails. You're getting 28 in a pack in a gorgeous nude color, which looks like that right there. And you're getting, like I said, 28 in a pack. And this is from the Kiss Bare, B-A-R-E collection. And that's that. And what else? Oh, nothing to do with artificial nails, but since it was in the bag, I brought me 2 more e.l.f. Ultimate Blending face brushes, which looks like this right here. And when you get it out the pack, let me open one. When you get out the pack, it looks like this right here. This is what I use to apply my foundation. So every time I see these, I pick them up. They're like $3, but let me tell you, they are worth their weight in gold. You see, I snatched 2 more. I got a bunch of these. I will never stop buying the blending brushes. So on that note, dolls, this yeah, just concluded the, nope, this did not conclude the video. One more pack I have to share with you. Okay, it's going to be the Kiss Gel Fantasy Collection, which is this right here. And I'm sharing this pack with you because I am wearing them on my nails right now. These are the nails that I'm wearing on my hand right now, and it's from this pack right here. And you're getting 28 nails in the pack, and I paid $8 for this pack. And as you can see, I'm wearing them on my fingers right now. And on that note, this now have concluded the video. Oh my gosh, I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. Another thing I like to do in all my videos, because my glam dolls, or my official glam dolls, which means my subscribed glam dolls, have requested that when I do my videos, can I please share what it is I'm wearing in the video, as far as my hair, my nails, or my scent of the day, because when it comes to fragrances, they all know I am addicted. So I want to leave off with saying today's scent that I'm wearing is called Floral Lavender. Looks like this right here. This is actually from Dossier, and it's a replica to YSL Libre, and it smells incredible. If you have YSL Libre, you must get this. You're gonna have to get this just to make sure your YSL Libre stretch out, because this have 18% potency. 18% potency with lasting. Okay, this is from Dossier, which is a fragrance subscription service. And what I love about their caps is, look, it's magnetic. Look at that. I love Dossier. So shout out to Dossier for making these replica fragrances, because this one is the bomb. And my lip of the day is going to be from my cosmetic line, Miss Glamour Addict Cosmetics. I'm wearing number 15 and then number 11. So this is my Luxe lipstick number 15 and my Glam lipstick number 11. When mixed together, that is the look you're getting. And last but not least, the wig I am wearing in this video is coming from none other than Soleil, which is from Sister Wig, and it's called Gia Short. That looks like that right there. And on that note, now this have concluded the video. Seriously, I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. Everything that I've shown you, if I can find a link to it, it will be down in the description box below. If not, check your local drugstores or your beauty supply store for these artificial nails. They are definitely worth you dollars looking into. I'm gonna start putting my nails away, but I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.